everyone. Hi. Hi. Just a second, guys. I am trying to take Ajay Nagrath, Pankaj online with me. Okay, I guess he's still not online here. Hi guys. Hi everyone. So हमने अंशा के अकाउंट पे ट्राई किया बट हम सब इतने नए हैं सो वी couldn't really figure out कि 2 से ज्यादा कैसे करें बट आई थिंक 2 से ज्यादा नहीं हो रहा है सो we'll do it turn by turn. Hi Ansha. Let's wait for Ajay Nagrath also to join us. Hey guys. He's not here yet. Hi. This is so exciting. हम सब live पहली बार कर रहे हैं इकट्ठे. So this is gonna be fun. Hi. Hi everyone. कैसे हो आप सब? कल से लॉकडाउन 5.0 शुरू हो जाएगा विथ अ lot more freedom. Till then, Ajay can join us. Ansha, are you there? Oops. Wow, what is going on? This is so difficult. This is like, what? 1 minute. This is so funny. Oh man. अंशा तेरे नाम पे कितने सारे अकाउंट्स हैं I sent a request to somebody who's not you but has the same. Hi.
Hi.
We did it, both of us at least right now. Ajay is not here, I think.
Something wrong with the network could be possible.
I know. Same here. My Wi-Fi is down. I'm on 4G right now.
My Wi-Fi is also down. Something is wrong with the Wi-Fi?
I don't know, man. I don't know. एक तो ये लाइव का भी फिगर आउट करने में इट्स लाइक एवरीवन विल बी लाइक व्हाट आर दीस गर्ल्स डूइंग.
So yes, I couldn't find, I don't know. Anyways, hi everybody. This is, so we begin 5.0 lockdown tomorrow and we'll see how do we, so right now I think unlock phases have started and
Yes.
gradually it'll all start getting back to normal.
Yeah.
So we just have to.
That's what the Home Ministry has announced. But I think things will be very different for Maharashtra and Mumbai because सबसे ज्यादा cases हमारे state में हमारे city में हैं. So I think अब हमें wait करना है कि हमारे CM और हमारी state government क्या decide करती है, हमें कितनी freedom मिलेगी बाहर जाने की या काम खत्म करने की या एटलीस्ट अपनी फैमिली को विजिट करने की. So let's see, fingers crossed. Let's hope.
So you have to be careful, even if it's over, and even if you pass the months, the coming months, like June, July, August, the most crucial months. You just have to be careful. I think the things will get back to normal. It has to, eventually.
Correct.
So, and yeah, people have been watching a lot of CID in this lockdown phase. Even I have really, yeah, YouTube. Such fond memories come to you when you watch that show. So many of them, when you especially watching outdoor.
हाँ,
Like,
oh my God. अभी I think बीच में गंगा सीरीज आ रही थी शायद. So वो हर एक सीन की मेमोरीज, ओ ये शॉट हमने यहाँ लिया था, इसमें ऐसा हुआ था. फिर जो ऑडियंस को नहीं पता चलता कि बिहाइंड द कैमरा क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है, यू नो डायलॉग्स में या कुछ टेक्निकल कुछ हो
सीआईडी
गया
करना
या
खुद में
कितना
भी एक एडवेंचर है ना.
एब्सोल्युटली
Like
एब्सोल्युटली
being
हम
like
बोलते ही थे
I
ना सीआईडी
totally
इज एन
understand
एडवेंचर.
there are a lot of crime shows, but CID is so different than so many of them. Which सब लोगों को लगेगा नहीं हम अपने शो के बारे में ऐसे बात करते, but actually you have to be there to experience it. What is so different about CID?
Yeah,
And once
and
I
the
said,
thing is because हमने सीआईडी एज ऑडियंस भी देखा है, correct, and then we worked in CID as a part as cops also, so we actually know कि you know it is absolutely an adventure. Every day is so different, and आप कभी अंदाजा नहीं लगा
and
सकते
imagine
कि ये
every day you are shooting a crime show in the middle of the road in this heat, and
हाँ.
there are days when you don't even get a chance to go to Vanity to freshen up.
Sometimes you don't even have a vanity.
एंड इन दिस ये जो अप्रैल मई का जो गर्मी है जो अभी जो चल रही है मई की जो गर्मी है
Oh,
तो इसमें हम लोग बैक रोड पे शूट करते थे राइट बिहाइंड इनॉर्बिट एंड
yeah,
so
yeah,
when I drive down from if I'm driving to Inorbit or the junction behind that, it's like seriously we used to shoot here
yeah.
drenched and then come
Yeah,
to the van and all drenched और एसी के
all
आगे से
drenched.
एसी
बस
के आगे
सब एसी के आगे खड़े कि हवा लगे.
ऐसे सुखाओ सुखाओ
I know.
ऐसे किसी शो में कहाँ होता है यार.
नहीं इतना इतना फिजिकल रिगरस वर्क नहीं होता. लाइक या डेली सोप्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी टफ, बट हम जितना फिजिकल काम करते थे ना, एवरी डे वी वुड बी आउट धूप में पसीने में, खा रहे हैं नहीं खा रहे हैं, पानी मिल यू नो यू आर एबल टू ड्रिंक वाटर और नॉट, यू आर वेयरिंग फुल क्लोथ्स लाइक लेदर जैकेट इन अप्रैल एंड मे, and you're
God,
running and
you
doing
had leather jacket
stunts.
ना. And your look,
Oof.
तो look को पहले जब भी whenever we used to get the look ना, like Janvi and me used to go shopping to shop our clothes, new clothes. तो जानवी का पहले तू leather jacket लाई, are you aware गर्मी भी होती है यहाँ पे, तो कैसे पहनेगी? छोड़ना यार, अभी क्या करूँ, यही ठीक लग रहा था. So
हाँ.
yeah, but one thing is there about PID, which I think not many fans know, is कितनी भी गर्मी हो, खाना ब्रेक हो ना, नो ब्रेक हो, कुछ भी हो, जो ऐसा होता नहीं था, कॉप्स का और सबका ब्रेक होता था, पर कभी भी अगर नहीं होता है या बैक टू बैक सीन्स चल रहे हैं, कोई भी कॉप्स कंप्लेन नहीं करते. दैट्स द
Correct.
ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस शो.
Correct.
Nobody will complain, which is very rare in the industry,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Nobody complains. Everyone is smiling. Like
Yeah.
outdoor also. ब्रेक करना है ब्रेक करना है ब्रेक करना है. नहीं सर शॉर्ट ले लो सर ब्रेक
खत्म
नो ब्रेक
करते हैं,
क्या
सीन खत्म करते हैं सर, ये खत्म करते हैं. Let's finish this.
हाँ क्या ब्रेक नहीं कर रहे. अरे सर
Yeah.
सीन खत्म करती ना सीन खत्म. अरे सो एवरीबडी इज स्माइलिंग. तो आपको भी थोड़ी थोड़ी आदत हो जाती.
Yeah.
मतलब
And I think it's
माहौल ही
it's
ऐसा
all
है.
because of our senior cops, because they have
Senior
done this
cops,
for so
yeah,
many years.
all of it.
तो obviously उनके अंडर हमने सीखा, उनको देख के हमने सीखा, उन्होंने कितना कुछ सिखाया, तो obviously we had to, you can't match up to that level, but you know उनके साथ साथ काम करने में
Like
चलने में
ECP sir,
करना ही
Jaya
पड़ता
sir,
है.
Abhijit sir, like they
Like
are.
you remember we used
So
to
much to
talk
learn
like
from
when
them.
ACP sir walks, we are running behind him. He's walking so fast that we are
He
literally
walks
running.
that fast.
He
Yeah.
walks that
DP
fast.
sir walks for kilometers. She knows
Yeah.
it because she's traveled to Mathiran with him. Mm.
Yep. Yep. Mathेराज.
Mathiran, एक और outdoor
याद
Mathiran.
दिलाओ यार. माथेराज.
So yeah, but like, this is one show where you can actually, when you can talk about it forever. It's like a memory for a lifetime. That we
Correct.
knew when we were doing it, me and Janvi, कि दिन तो नहीं रहने वाले, but we are going to talk about it. तभी ऐसा लगता था यार अभी बस यार थक गए यार. The Satara thing. मतलब रात को she used to sleep like a log, all gone.
Obviously, Satara was like all outdoors ना. Outdoors have been like अपना highlight. कि outdoor shooting have been so special, each and every one of them.
So there are a lot of stories about outdoor which you're going to hear with Ajay Nagrat. So I am going to say bye to Janvi, and Janvi, I think Ajay Nagrat, you can get him online. and I think this is his
Okay,
first
we'll
time to go
try.
live, and he's very, very interesting.
Is
So
it?
fun to game with. Bye bye. I'll see
Yeah.
you soon. Yeah.
Everyone loves him. See you,
Yeah.
Ancha.
See you.
Okay. Hello. Let's try and get Ajay if he's here. Hmm. Ajay is still not here. That's weird. Okay. Okay, let's try and get Shraddha. Well, Shraddha is not here either. Ajay, are you here? Can you just send a message or like a comment or something so I know that you're here? Okay. Hi everyone. So let's wait if Ajay comes online and if Shraddha comes online, so then we can have a chat together. तब तक हम कुछ सवालों के जवाब देते हैं. Hi. Vinayak 1812 is asking Satara Abhijit sir falling down the waterfall. Remember, guys? Yeah, sorry, that was my washing machine. Yeah. Yeah, that was the episode. सतारा में एक सीक्वेंस था जिसमें अभिजीत सर वाटरफॉल से गिर जाते हैं. हम बहुत कोशिश करते हैं उन्हें बचाने की, बट he sacrifices his life. But thankfully, he's like, you know, he's back. Hi Aju, you're here? Okay, let's take you in. Hold on, I'll send you a request. Okay, everyone. Ajay Nagrath, Pankaj is here. And welcome to Instagram Live.
What? This is my first time.
This is your first time.
Yes, man.
Sir,
I'm doing my first time ever.
सर आपको कैसा लग रहा है? फर्स्ट टाइम लाइव आके आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
पता नहीं, गुस्सा बहुत आ रहा है कि हम लोग चारों क्यों नहीं आ पाए.
I know, right? This is like Instagram has to buck up.
Man, you know what? My roommate, you and Ansha were there. I'm looking at you. मैं यहाँ पे भेज रहा हूँ. अरे I'm here. And then like nothing is happening only. You guys are talking to each other about your costumes and all, your shooting and all. Like again.
Sorry, you know, we both got carried away. Then we were like, oh wait.
Like always, eh? You are Ansha. अच्छा, listen. What's with the ये क्या तुम लोग की क्या बात चल रही थी इस बारे में? Shooting के बारे में. What are you guys talking about shooting?
You have something to share about shooting?
No, you guys were talking about shooting and your costumes, I heard last.
Yeah, we were talking about how CID was an adventure, you know.
No, Ansha.
Like CID is an adventure. How we used to say.
CID was a big adventure. And the costumes, you guys used to go out for your costumes. और हम लोग लड़के लोग को आके बोलते हैं सर आपको ये पहनने का है सर, आपका ये शर्ट ऑरेंज शर्ट के साथ भलता कोई जीन्स और पता नहीं क्या. हमारे डिजाइनर तो थे ही नहीं. हमारे जो ड्रेस दादा थे बेचारे वही जाके हमारी शॉपिंग करते थे. आप लोग जाके अपनी अपनी शॉपिंग करके आते थे.
You know, that's why हमारे लिए भी ऐसे ही शुरुआत हुआ था. Okay, but then we realized, okay, we need to take this over. इसलिए फिर हम अपने कपड़ों की शॉपिंग खुद ही करते थे कि नहीं ये हमें करना पड़ेगा, ये हम पे छोड़ दो.
Janvi, everybody here writing, please put Daya sir in also and Aditya sir in also. अभी इन लोग को क्या बोले, इन लोग है ही नहीं Instagram पे.
They're not on Instagram, guys. So sorry, but वो लोग नहीं हैं. They are very very private people, and they're not here.
Yeah.
So what's up? Where are you? What are you doing?
Nothing. अभी तो बस since we spoke last night, and you said that you're joining Instagram live chat and all. So I said, yeah, might as well come on, meet you, obviously. So I'm down in my building. Everybody, my Sunday quarantine life is happening at home. We just went
Have
down,
have you
sitting in the
have
car.
you quarantined yourself in the car?
Yes, I don't go out. People try to come and talk to me. I spray at them with sanitizer first.
Cool.
Yes, darling.
So,
और क्या हो रहा है?
what you tell me, what's up? How did you
Not
spend your lockdown?
lockdown, यार. Basically, I gained little weight after, like, what after during the show only. So before the lockdown happened, मैं थोड़ा weight training I had started. So just
Hmm.
hey, somebody asked just where's Nirvi?
Nirvi सो रही है.
Nirvi, Nirvi is a bigger star than all of us. I'm telling you, Jay, you're gonna have such problems. The day she grows up, एम्बुलेंस पीछे चलेगी. जो इधर लेफ्ट पे लड़के गिरेंगे वो इधर डालेंगे, जो राइट पे लड़के गिरेंगे वो एम्बुलेंस में डालेंगे. That's gonna happen with Nirvi. बाप रे.
Oh
She's a
man.
star in her own right.
वो बड़ी होगी तब कौन सा जमाना होगा दुनिया कैसी होगी we can't even imagine right now it's gonna be so fast.
और कौन सा कोविड का फेज आएगा?
Oh man. अपना तो खत्म नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ यार. नहीं अभी लेकिन बहुत टाइम हो गया. I'm like so bored यार. बहुत.
Yeah, that's
कार के
true.
बैक सीट पे भूत है. कौन बोला बे?
Ah,
अरे यार, we
yeah,
really miss you guys, all our fans, everybody who are watching
yeah,
CID यार. I hope it starts again. हम लोग भी हमारा भी same feeling आप लोगों की तरह कि जल्द से
that's
जल्द
true.
it starts यार. It's been so long since we've met each other and worked with each other.
Yes,
Yeah, it was so fun, no? That time.
it was, yeah, yeah. Something that we'll never forget, and
Yeah.
we'll always cherish it like anything
Mm,
else. Wow.
absolutely, yeah. It gave me such good
हम जब
friends.
भी
This is my
मिलते हैं तो
lovely friends.
हाँ.
It gave me such lovely people in my life, my lovely friends,
That's what
all,
I was
and they have
about
been
to
so all.
say, that every time we meet, we feel so blessed we
Mm,
have each other and we
yeah.
all got along so well on the
Mm,
set, all the actors and everyone, the crew.
mm, mm.
But yeah, हमारी कितनी सारी बातें जो हम पब्लिक में नहीं कर
Exactly.
सकते. So we both are like looking at each other's face, के okay.
Next, क्या बोलेगा? They want
Hmm.
Shraddha to come on. एक minute. I think they've
Really?
written. We wanted to join the live chat.
Yeah, तारिका को भी ऐड करो and everything. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. तो एक काम करो, आप अभी तारिका को ऐड करो and hold on.
चलो ठीक है.
फिर आप
Okay.
वापस से, if you can want, you can shuffle.
Then we
And
can do our uncensored chat अलग से.
yes, on WhatsApp, then I'll see you there. I just want to say I love you to all the people who are watching us right now and all the people who aren't watching us right now. You all are strength. You are the big reason why. If CID will come back, it will come back because of you guys, and we all love you, right, Jay?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, great. Love you.
Thank
Mwah.
you. Love
Love you
you.
guys.
See
Bye
you.
bye. Take care. Have fun. Jay, see me there on WhatsApp.
Yes, I will.
Bye, darling.
Okay, let's see if Shraddha is live. So we can add her. Okay, Shraddha's not live. I think she got busy with something. I just spoke to her अभी पहले, live आने से पहले, but she was busy with something. So, okay, I think I'll take your leave. Guys, thank you so much. इतना मजा आया. I'm sorry आज हमने किसी के भी questions का जवाब नहीं दिया. But this was so much fun. Hopefully next time हम सब फिर से live कर सकेंगे. So take care, everyone, and stay safe. And God bless you all. Bye.